What causes your BMW X1 engine to vibrate in Decatur? If something is wrong happens in your BMW X1, the engine is vibrating in many cases like at idling, at low speeds, at high speeds. When it happens, take it to a reputed mechanic to determine the causes behind vibrations. Determining the causes behind the engine vibrations seems to be a difficult task. In this way, it will affect the functions of the engine that needs immediate troubleshooting. The following points define the causes behind engine vibrations in the BMW X1. Engine trouble. Troubled engine is not only causing difficulty starting, but also creating engine vibrations. Thus, the vibrations should be more intense if you left the problem without any repair. Unbalanced wheels and worn tires. If the wheels are not balanced, you will notice the engine vibrates while increasing its speed. For preventing these problems, you have to check the balance of the wheels during every service and maintenance. Clogged fuel injectors. Over time, the fuel injectors are contaminated with outside sediments and carbon deposits. As a result, the wrong amount of fuel is delivered with each engine cycle and vibrates the car while idling. Disconnected vacuum hose. If the vacuum hose becomes disconnected, you will notice the engine vibrates and stall out unevenly. Apparently, the worn hoses also cause engine vibration to a lesser extent in the BMW X1. Blocked fuel filter. Blocked fuel filter in your car is unable to flow the right amount of fuel from the fuel pump to the injectors. As a result, you will notice the engine is vibrating due to the lack of enough fuel. Conclusion. When the engine vibrates for long, it's always advisable to fix the problem ASAP. For preventing major engine breakdowns and expensive repairs, consult with a mechanic immediately. Thank you. u.munichwest.com